Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project, Food Court Management System. And I have developed this project in C Sharp Windows application, and the database I'm using is the MySQL. For connecting MySQL and C Sharp, I'm using the MySQL.NET connector, which you will get easily from the MySQL.org website. Right, and this is a Windows-based application. This is not a web-based, so it's a standalone applications, right? Which I have used using the Windows form, developed using the Windows form. So let's start that what we have developed inside this project. So for opening this project, you will get a folder which will contain a SLN file. Just open that SLN file and run this project, right? Once you run this project, right? So for running this, just click on the start button, and after that, you will get the login form. This is a Windows login form, and the user ID is admin, and the password is test. Once you log inside the system, you will get this splash form. Means this is a loading form. Once it's load, you will get the dashboard where you can manage the food code, right? So let's wait. Yeah, this is the dashboard. From here, these all are the menus items from where you can perform certain operations. Right. Once you click on the product management, you will be able to see all of the products which has been added by you, right? All of the products you can add. So the company name, product stock, these all things you can add. Suppose if I were to add Nestle products, then you can add a, right? And the type of product is, you can see spices, price 1 unit, stock 1, description 1. Once you click on it, then that item will be saved into the database. You can see this has been saved. If you want to delete it, just select that product and click on the delete. It will be deleted from the database, right? If you want to find the items, just click on the find and search for the product. So once you click on the search data, that data will come here in the list view, right? So this is a product management form from where you will be able to add or manage any number of products. Okay, now this is on the start sales. This is a start sale. From here you will be able to sell your product to the customer. For that, there are three steps, right? First, you need to enter the customer name. So I'm entering the customer name here, question and the mobile number of the customer. Once you click on the start order, then you can see the form has been changed. Right here, this order number is 9 and date is this. Right now, select the product and the quantity. Right, I am adding the one pizza, then it will be calculated automatically. Now I am creating chicken korma and 2 and the add quantity. So you can see the price per unit is 3, quantity is 2 and 600. Right now I'm going to dosha 1. Right, once you click on this, then it will be added. If you want to delete it, just click on that record and click on the delete, yes, and that item will be deleted from the cart, right? And if order is completed, just click on the save order. Once you click on the save order, then the whole information will be saved into the database and you can access it later also. So on the save order, then order number is 9, and what is the payment method? Is a credit card and payment accepted, right? Once you click on the confirm order, you can see that your order has been placed successfully, right? And you can see that order in the sales report. Let me show you the product report first. This is a product report. It will show you all of the products which you have added, right? This is the sales report, right? You can see this is a sales report for Kaushal, right? Order status 1 and this one, right? So this is a sales report. All of the order which you have placed will be displayed here, right? This is a about project. Once you click on the about project, you will be able to see about the project. This is a change password from where you will be able to update your account password, means admin login password. For that, you need old password, new password, and the confirm password. This is the exit. Once you click on the exit, then your application will be exited, right? So you can see it's admin exited. For running this project again, just click on the start, and that project will ask your user ID and password again. So this is the admin and test, and you will be logging. So you can see you will be login again, right? So it's loading. It will take hardly 3 to 4 seconds, and this again dashboard is coming. If you click on the exit, then it's exited, right? So this project functionality I have developed inside this project food court management system, which I have developed using the C Sharp Windows form and MySQL database. I have used Visual Studio 2019 for running this project. So if you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate those changes. I will make this project more better and better according to requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest projects videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.